right, good morning once again, folks. Here we are at Rapid plus TCT 2019 at Cobo Center in Detroit, Michigan. And good morning, and we welcome our friend and longtime friend, Jeff DeGrange with Impossible Objects.
Thanks for having me this morning.
Chief Commercial Officer. Jeff, you've been coming to, you personally have been coming to Rapid for a number of years, right?
I have been coming to Rapid for over 15 years, and every year they just keep getting bigger and bigger.
Right. It's amazing what this has grown into, right? But Impossible Objects has some unique capabilities that are maybe different than what a lot of people think of when they think of 3D printing.
Yeah, so Impossible Objects is basically building on a 2D printing technology that's been out in the industry for many, many decades. And we're building on the lamination process. We're actually taking a fiber sheet and printing an image on that fiber sheet, and then applying a thermoplastic layer, and then stacking the fiber sheets up. And under heat and pressure, that's how we form our parts to make a very strong, lightweight composite part.
Composite laminated process, right?
Composite lamination process using pan carbon fiber.
Nice. So you have a piece of this equipment or examples of here at the show?
We do have our machine on display here at Rapid, as well as many different examples from various industries.
Yeah. And recently, you're part of, recently announced some work with America Makes on a project, right?
Yeah, we actually have an America Makes program, which is part of the Air Force Mammals for spare parts for the in-service fleet. And just this week, we announced some of the work that under the America Makes program, that we made some parts that were being validated for spare parts for the B-1B bomber program down in Oklahoma City.
Nice, nice. And Mammals is obviously a large project and a very necessary part of what the Air Force needs out of advanced technology.
Yeah,
sure.
and that's what we think that composites offer. They're very strong, they're lightweight, and they're cost efficient to make and get in short order, which I think for in-service vehicles, that's what they need.
Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. All right, well, what else do you have to tell us? Anything else?
No, we just launched our Generation 2 system, and making great progress with the America Makes program, and continue to kind of build out the technology in the aerospace industry. We just recently have received an order from National Institute of Aerospace Research in Wichita, and look forward to kind of continuing to find other part families that make sense for the aerospace industry.
Excellent. All right, well, thanks very much for joining us today, and good luck at the rest of the show.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Jeff.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And thanks everybody for joining us, and we'll talk to you soon.